Bitcoin payments app Strike expands to more than 65 countries from 3. The Bitcoin-focused payments firm Strike is expanding its app to more than 65 countries from the current base of the US and El Salvador. Now it's pushing into new markets in Africa, Latin America, Eastern Europe, Asia, and the Caribbean, from Antigua and Barbuda to Vanuatu and Zambia. Strike CEO Jack Mallers made the announcement at the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida. CoinCafe will pay $4.3 million for defrauding investors. The CoinCafe cryptocurrency platform, accused of defrauding investors through commissions, will pay $4.3 million under an agreement with the New York State Attorney General's office.
Parkour! 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 I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on! Yeah!
The Securities Commission (SC) of Malaysia has ordered Huobi Global to curtail operations in the country. Huobi Crypto Exchange should disable its website and mobile applications in the country, as well as stop showing any advertising to local investors. Ben and PSYOP creator threatens with class action lawsuit. Ben and PSYOP creator Ben.eth is threatened with class action lawsuits for misleading investors and alleged wire fraud charges after PSYOP meme coin presale raised $7 million. The hacker who hacked Tornado Cash offered to return the project management to the community. An unknown hacker has seized control of the Tornado Cash control mechanism. Later, he posted a proposal to restore the management of the token holders.